Yeah, hey, what is up, everybody? How's everyone doing? Just got to the Walmart and take a look, man. More of the Nissan Skylines and two additional Type R. If you guys seen the live stream from, I think it was 3 days ago, I had already found two of the Skylines and two Type Rs. So I'm taking some for my bro David, because you know, you gotta look out for my bro, you know what I'm saying? I know he found two Supras that I told him they were at Northern. Luckily for him, they were still pegged. Because when I went, there was a guy just taking all kinds of stuff, man. He had well over $100 in premiums. That one was with the set with the hard body Supras, and I think the Led Zeppelin sets were there too. But he did left a few of the Supra, so I told my bro David to go as ASAP as soon as he could, and luckily he said he did find two, so that's great news for him, I guess. But yeah, other than that, I don't see anything new. Maybe some Coca-Cola items from the M2s, but man, I feel like my camera is blurry. Let me see. Alright, hopefully that will fix it. But yeah, I mean, looks like it's leftovers pretty much. And I say leftovers because there's I'm taking two of each of these ones. Well, there was several sets. Looks like there was 4 sets, if not 3 sets. Because I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, probably 4 sets. So 2 of the Skylines are already gone. But yeah, man, other than that, like I said, maybe they got some new M2s, but nothing really like new, you know. Oh snaps, they look like they have a box over here. Looks like a M2 over there. It says 164 M2 machines, auto haulers. So it says auto haulers. Let's go ahead and take a quick look. Oh damn, auto haulers, man. Yeah, take a good look, guys. It's a chase piece, 750. Yeah, sweet, man. I wouldn't have seen it unless, if it weren't for that box over there in the cart, I wouldn't have noticed that these ones were fresh. Damn. So this will be the regular one, and this is the chase, the 750 piece. Not bad, man. So definitely a good find. It's a Plymouth. It'll be a nice trade for the future, maybe. Not quite sure, but yeah, always great to find chase pieces. Damn. Let's see, Hayes clutches, flywheels. Hayes 1970 Dodge L600 COE. I think it's a cap on end or something like that. And 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. Sweet, man. And well, yeah, I think that's it. That's the only M2 box that I saw. Cause over there, I don't see much over here. But yeah, always great to find chase pieces. Anyways, I'm gonna head out to the next Walmart. See you guys, and thank you for watching. Yeah, see you guys. Stay hunting. Yeah, hey, what is up, everybody? Well, I'm at the second store and looks like they got some more of the uh see, this is the box like that they had at the other Walmart. Take a look. But that's just one box. It looks a whole lot more M2 castings than previously, because I mean I have been here pretty much like two days ago, I'm gonna say. But I think the Coca-Cola ones are fresh, because I hadn't seen this black and white. Take a look. This is the hobby exclusive. But they do have some of the M2s, as you guys can see here as well. I'm trying to see if I can catch like a chase piece. But no, and I know a lot of people were saying about this one being it looked like a chase, but it's not white wheels, so I wouldn't say it's a white lightning. I mean, it does have like a white interior, but I don't know. I've seen too many of these to consider it a white lightning, you know. But that's just me. I'm not 100% sure, and even then, I'm gonna leave it because I'm not sure, and nothing. There is like no indication that it could be a chase. But back to this Coca-Cola, man. Can't really see the castings much. I'm too short. Well, let's see right here. Whoa, there it is, guys. This is a chase piece right here, and I knew because of the red in the rims. That's how I could tell. This is a double cab truck USA model. This is you guys can see the sticker 750 piece versus a regular piece. This is the regular, same casting. One's a chase, one's a regular. And you guys can see this black and this is red. Well, not bad, I guess. Let's see, cause oh, I think that's what gives it away, actually. The fact that it's a white background. Because like, if you guys take a look, that one's black, black, black on the top, black, black. Pretty much every single one of those is black, with the exception of these being red. You guys want to see that Coca-Cola? Everywhere else is black. So yeah, this is the end result. I got 3 of the 750 pieces, and I don't think I got to show this one on camera. My memory storage ran out, battery was dying, so yeah. But I have found one of these already. 750 cutlass. I remember it because I said it didn't really look much like a chase piece, some sort of a sleeper. But any 750s or any chaser, I guess, is a good trade. So if anything, anybody out there wanted to trade, then we'll see, you know. And like I said, these are the 2 for my bro David, and some 2 to open. Definitely this 2000 GTX is a very nice casting, man. I still have to find the one from the rewind set, which I'm definitely on the hunt for it. But yeah, it just gets snatched right away, and I would snatch them as well if I saw them, you know, pegged. But oh well, haven't seen them yet. And man, this is a beauty right here. Not bad in this color, man. Camouflage blue, baby blue, and black. It's not bad at all, man. Just I know my bro David probably gonna be putting some rear riders on these things, and hopefully myself as well. You know, I'm gonna put some rear riders up on these pieces. But yeah, that's it, guys. Probably gonna put the rest of my chase pieces. I think I have like 3 of these. I don't know exactly, but a sleeve would help. Um, but yeah, man, my M2 chase pieces is increasing. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. Yeah.